Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to protein shake at home full guide. Start by gathering a blender, a protein powder you like, liquid, and any mix-ins you prefer. I'll walk you through measuring, blending order, and texture tips to get consistent results. Expect quick swaps for calories, protein, and flavor so you can tailor shakes for energy, recovery, or meal replacement without guesswork. Pick a protein powder based on goals and taste, such as whey, plant, or casein. Measure your serving and select a liquid that matches your calorie needs. Milk adds creaminess, water keeps it light. Consider fruit, nut butter, oats, or greens for nutrients and satiety. I will explain portion ideas and substitutions so you can build shakes for weight loss, muscle gain, or quick meals with confidence. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers I use for smoothies and snacks. They save spills and time. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set if you prep shakes or meals ahead. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start with liquid in the blender, then add powder and heavy mix-ins to prevent clumping and ensure smooth texture. Blend on high for 20 to 40 seconds, then pulse and scrape as needed to reach the desired thickness. Cool ingredients and ice control temperature, while oats and nut butters change creaminess. I share timing tricks and ratio guidelines to help you nail texture every single time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.